Hi, welcome to the house of Blink. So this is where Blink lives. It's a tiny house and she has received already 187 stars. Where do you get the stars? From visitors, of course, who come over and visit her place. So did you know that you only can get with this tiny house 4 visitors max? So unlike bigger houses, you can have more visitors when you open a party, a home party. That's how they call it here in Kaia Island, here in Play Together. So, but anyway, look at our house. It may be a tiny house, but it is complete. Look around. So, let's have a house tour today. So, here, Blink entered her small bathroom and she has a shower. Look at the shower. Wow, wonderful. So, Blink is having a shower. Okay, we cannot see very well there that she is having a shower. Look at her. Wow, she seems to be enjoying her shower. Okay, and there's a crab inside her giant aquarium with a crown. And it's glow in the dark. Look at that. So now Blink is actually using the toilet. Wow, she has a beautiful toilet bowl. And here she is now inside her bathtub. What a luxury. So it may be a tiny house, but she has complete with plants inside her toilet and bathroom. Look at that. And she has curtains, close and open curtains for that, for her privacy. Okay, and she has pets. Look at her pets. And she is now in bed. She's trying, and the wink and clink are actually jumping. Actually, Blink is just showing you, trying to demonstrate how it goes here in her tiny house. So she has actually this study. So she is now in front of her computer. She may be playing, studying, or watching the news. So she didn't buy any television. It's not necessary. With the small space she has, everything can be seen in the computer, laptop. So she has lots of books, and this is actually a double deck. So she can also sleep upstairs, and especially if she has a guest, a friend who would like to stay with her. Look at that. Okay, so she is trying to use the sofa, very comfortable sofa. And she just put on the lights of this globe. It's a disco light. And look at what she will be doing next. Watch out what she will be doing next. Oh, Blink is dancing. Wow, you're a good dancer, Blink. You are a good dancer. Yeah. Seem to be enjoying your time, don't you? All right. So, and okay. She has decided to show you around, and this time, okay, she will show you the hammerhead shark which she has caught, and that's in a separate aquarium. And here we have the giant aquarium with all the glowfish, the crowned fish, which are actually glowing in the dark. She likes that. That's actually 5 fish maximum. So that's all you can put in that giant aquarium. So those are all, of course, what she has caught during this. I think she has played only for 7 days. Not bad. And she has opened the ref. Look at all the food she has stored in her ref. Oh, might be a tiny house, but she's comfortable here, don't you think? And there's a faucet. She can wash her hands, always wash, and wear a mask. Especially during COVID times. There, do you want to cook, Blink? So, if she'll cook, she will actually pay $3 or even more. And so she decided not to. Anyway, she has lots of food inside the ref and she's not hungry at this point. So she went to sit down in front of the table with lots of books to read. Look at that. And she has a board. Okay, so where will you bring us next? Oh, she has stairs with a mannequin on top. Oh, that's her favorite sailor's uniform. Remember that she really bought that sailor's cap because she missed it the other day or 2 days ago. So look at that. She can actually change by just clicking on this. There you go. It's magic. So that's how easy it is. Just have to click on the mannequin and everything that the mannequin is wearing will actually be transferred to Blink or your character in this play together. So, okay, so that's about it. So we have Wink, 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 the cat or the kitty, and we have Clink the piggy. That's it. You see? Wow. So those are actually her pets. So do you plan to get a dog as well? Doggy will be next perhaps. But right now, Blink is just leaving all her pets in the house so that she will not have to take care of them. So she's out of the house right now. And that is the neighborhood where she is living with her tiny house. Okay? So quite comfortable with lots of beautiful things in her house. So, where is she now? Oh, is she a she or a he? She's not confused, you know. There are days when she wears this hat. Okay? And you know, if you have heard of Carl Jung, that psychologist, you will actually embrace the feminine and the masculine in you. Haven't you heard of that? So, in each one of us, we have the masculine and the feminine. And today, okay, you can see that Blink has worn her sailor's uniform. Hi! Hello, Captain Jack. So Captain Jack is the captain of this boat. It's like a yacht going to the Lost Island, or it's some kind of a treasure island. But right now, today, Blink actually decided to fish on the dock. So this is the dock, and she is going to fish here. Let's wish him luck. So we hope that Blink will be able to catch big fish. So that, wow, that's a mackerel, Blink. Okay, and that's a good catch. Wow, and your fishing rod got broken. You have to fix that. Fix it. Okay, repair. $180. Anyway, okay, it's all right. There. So you have thrown again your rod, hook, line, and sinker. And let's try to see which fish you're going to catch this time. Get ready, focus. All right, there you go. Oh, another mackerel. So that's all, guys, for today. You've watched Play Together, and this is a beautiful game. If you wish, just download the app and you can play it as well. And this is a nice game which you can share with your family. Enjoy playing. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Keep safe. It's another fine day here at Kaia Island with Blink. So enjoy the rest of the day. Until next time. See you soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.